What is algebra? At its core, algebra is all about finding the unknown. You use variables like x and y to represent numbers we don't know yet. This might seem abstract, but it's incredibly powerful. Let me show you how. For instance, if you have 2x plus 5 equals 15, solving it helps you find out that x equals 5. Simple enough, right? But how does this help us in real life? Let's find out. One of the most common places you'll see algebra in action is in your wallet. Let's talk finances. Say you're saving for a new phone that costs $600. You want to save up in 6 months, so you use algebra to figure out how much to save each month. Just solve for x. You need to save $100 a month. Algebra helps you plan your finances and make informed decisions about spending and saving. Cooking might seem like an art, but it's also a lot of math. Imagine you have a recipe that serves 4 people, but you're cooking for 6. You'll need to adjust the ingredients using algebra to make sure everything turns out just right. Now, let's talk about construction. When engineers design bridges or buildings, they use algebra to calculate loads, stress, and the amount of materials needed. For example, if you need to calculate the weight a beam can support, algebra helps determine if your structure will be safe and sturdy. Algebra even helps in sports. Coaches use algebra to analyze player stats, optimize game strategies, and improve performance. Whether it's calculating batting averages or predicting game outcomes, algebra is a key player in sports analytics. And don't forget about everyday problems, like splitting a restaurant bill or figuring out travel times. Say you and your friends are splitting a $120 bill evenly among 5 people. Algebra helps you quickly figure out that everyone owes $24. So, there you have it. Algebra isn't just a bunch of numbers and letters, it's a powerful tool that helps us navigate and solve problems in our daily lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more practical math tips. See you next time.